Word has a variety of underline options. I'll select this first row and I'll go to the drop-down portion of the underline command and I'll choose a single underline. I'll select the next row, go to the drop-down and I'll choose double underline. I'll choose the next row, I'll choose thick underline. And if I'd like this line to be a red dashed underline, I'll need to go to the Format menu, choose Fonts, and then in the underline style, I'll choose dashed, and then in the underline color, I'll choose red. When I choose OK, I get a dashed red underline. And in this last example, I only want the words underlined. I'll go back to Format, Font, and I'll select the words only underline style. When I choose OK, only the words are underlined. So here are just a few examples of the different types of underlines that you can apply in your Word documents.